All right, so the baby monitor's over there. So this is what it looks like during the day. The cables run underneath the seat, directly hooked up to the camera. And I can adjust the swivel depending on where my toddler is. Today I'm gonna show you a very simple baby monitor for inside your car so you can keep track of your little one in the back. That you can also use as a boat or a backup camera. So this is the GROWNSY feed coming in from my car. It's a direct plug-in, and as you can see, it's got night vision. And I can see exactly what's happening, even though I really can't see anything. As I'm driving, I can see exactly what my toddler's doing. If I turn it on, it works immediately. Camera is basically what? Flying shark. All right, guys, so if you have a toddler and a baby in the back of your car, you know how important it is to keep checking on them. So today we're going to show you a baby monitor that's by GROWNSY that you can also use as a boat or a backup camera from the inside, not the outside. I wanted to get something easy and inexpensive, and I came across this. I didn't know GROWNSY actually made these, but we've gotten, baby bottles and toddler things all throughout. I just wanted something small that I'm constantly looking at the rearview mirror to keep an eye out on our child while we're driving. Now there are 3 different models of this camera. One that I got that I preferred is the windshield model. The second model is the one with a push-up stand and 2 non-sliding pads underneath. And then the third option has the camera lens embedded inside a little toy astronaut. The camera has 2 installation methods. There's the buckles method, which is the one that you wrap around in various places that are hard to get to. And the second option is you can attach it directly with 2 screws to the car rest on either side. If you have an infant, of course you're going to have the camera facing one way versus a toddler. And there's enough cable that you can move the camera and switch around from both angles. Everything is pretty much connected. You see that? So there's camera signaling. It's not wireless. You are going to have to hide the cord somewhere from the monitor behind the seat to the camera, and then the other one's going to go to your cigarette lighter. All right, so here's the screen. It's 4.4 inches wide. It transmits color and black and white images. On the very back, you have a swivel with a double adhesive. This is where you mount this either on the windshield, or you have an additional adhesive that you mount on the dashboard. The second model has a plate with the push buttons. You simply place it somewhere on the dash with a non-slip pad underneath. Over here you have 3 buttons. You have a menu button and you have plus and minus. This essentially simply navigates across the different menus. For example, your brightness, and then you use plus or minus to reduce it. Your next is your contrast, and you have your saturation, and finally you got your English and the different modes. 4:3, 16:9 stretches it, so I would say 4:3 is a better choice. You can see that I can move it around quite freely. The lens goes up quite a lot. The resolution is quite good during the day and pretty decent at night. Now, if I were to use this as a boat or trailer camera, all I have to do is just basically mount the camera this way, and now I can see the back of my truck basically. So you can see there's a lot of different uses for this camera. Now I can stick it on this side, that side, or I can even have it facing forward. So as you can see, there's quite a lot of different variations. One end goes into the lighter for power. Press this, so we got power. Immediately we're getting the AV channel. It's got night vision, so you can see. Let's go close. Wow, that is actually quite sharp. So let's put this at a distance. So this is the GROWNSY feed coming in from my car. It's a direct plug-in, and as you can see, it's got night vision. This is adjustable. So as you adjust this, you can see that it does it. Now, too bad that I can't swivel it this way. I can only go up and down, but that's okay. We are gonna strap this right here in the back of the car. All right, so the baby monitor's over there. The cables are run underneath the seat, and then right now, temporarily, I have it here. So this is directly hooked up to the camera, and I can adjust the swivel up and down as I need to, depending on where my toddler is. It's got night vision, and I can see exactly what's happening, even though I really can't see anything. So this is in complete darkness. So let's see what it looks like during the day. So this is what it looks like during the day. There's Mr. Zane waving. Hello. Camera is basically what? Flying shark. So if you're looking for a very easy plug-and-play monitor that you can use as a backup camera or a baby monitor, this is for you. Thanks for watching.